मॅम आमचं लेक्चर आहे 11 वाजता.
झालं चालू.
So extra pin ALE. ALE we have to connect. Where we have to connect ALE, students? Hello? Where we
Latch.
have to connect ALE?
Latch.
To latch, correct. To latch. So this we have to connect to the enable of the latch. Enable pin of the latch. Okay. So here we have to draw enable pin. Okay. So this is what is enable of the latch. So what else remaining things you have to do here? How many address lines are remaining here? 3 address lines are remaining because we are using 13. Total there are 16. So 3 address lines are remaining, and these 3 address lines we have to use for the chip select. Okay. So here we will produce a signal called as chip select. So this is a chip select. So this chip select is also many times a bar. Okay. Now similarly here also we will draw what is called as a gate. Okay. So here we'll be using a NAND gate because your CS here is shown to be active low. So if it is active low, you have to create a zero signal for this. And in order to create a zero signal, what you have to do is you have to use a NAND gate instead of AND gate. So here I will type and ampersand symbol, because that ampersand indicates this is a AND gate. And to indicate an AND gate, we have to draw a bubble here. So I will draw a bubble. And remaining 3 lines, which are the remaining 3 lines, students? It is A13, and then A14, A14, and last one is A15. So all these lines should be used to generate a chip select signal for the RAM. Okay, so here you can observe one important thing about connection of the RAM is PSEN signal is not used. You remember this. PSEN signal, program store enable signal, is only for ROM, that is program memory, or the read only memory. So that signal should not be used along with the interfacing of the RAM. Otherwise, remaining things are same. In case of ROM, we are using only read control signal, but in case of RAM, we have to use both read as well as write control signals, because RAM is read-write type of the memory. So are you clear about this connection, students? Yes, can anybody tell me? Because it is very similar to ROM connections. The only difference is that the first thing is that PSEN should not be used. The second thing is that write signal must be used along with the RAM. Okay, write signal must not be used along with the ROM. Okay, so only with this difference, the RAM connections are similar to ROM connections. Here, for example, we have taken 8 KB of ROM. The similar diagram you can draw for 16 KB of RAM. In that case, your number of address lines will be 14. Even you can draw this for 4 KB RAM. So depending on the size of the memory, the number of address lines, those can be used to address that particular size of memory, will vary depending on its size. Otherwise, the remaining things are same. Okay, so this completes your chapter number 1. Okay, so we are going to hold the multiple choice test on the whole chapter. So when we will be holding? You tell me the date. I will prepare a Google form, and on Google form only, first we will conduct the multiple choice test, and then we will conduct the descriptive test. So study for both multiple choice as well as descriptive. And now tell me the date at which we can conduct this test. Yes, students. Yes, tell me. Yes. Yes. Tell me when we should conduct the test. How many days you will require to prepare for one chapter? 1 day is sufficient, I think. At the most 2 days. Okay. So on 3rd September, shall we conduct the test? Yes. On the 3rd September, shall we conduct the test? Okay. I think yes, 3rd September is okay for everybody. On 3rd September, we will be conducting multiple choice test on the chapter number 1. Okay. So students, here we shall end the meeting. And from next time, we will start with the chapter number 2. All of you watch the communication lectures. 2 more lectures I'll be sending you. And then we will hold a discussion, and we will merely hold the discussion. I will not teach in that. you have to discuss. All of you have to unmute and all of you have to discuss about your doubts also. Okay. So we will stop here. Okay.